Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked: healthy weight gain for vegetarians and vegans. Contrary to popular belief, it's entirely possible to achieve your weight gain goals on a plant-based diet. Let's explore how. First things first, let's address the importance of a balanced diet. Just like any other dietary goal, gaining weight healthily as a vegetarian or vegan requires a mix of essential nutrients. Make sure your meals include a variety of foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats necessary for weight gain. Next up, let's talk about calorie density. Since plant-based foods tend to be less calorie-dense than animal products, it's essential to focus on higher calorie options. Incorporate foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and healthy oils into your meals to increase calorie intake without sacrificing nutrition. Let's address meal timing and portion sizes. To support weight gain, aim for frequent meals and snacks throughout the day. Be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your meal plan and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're meeting your calorie goals. Lastly, don't forget about exercise. While diet plays a significant role in weight gain, incorporating strength training exercises can help build muscle mass and promote healthy weight gain. By combining a balanced diet with regular exercise, you can achieve your weight gain goals while maintaining overall health and well-being. That wraps up our guide to healthy weight gain for vegetarians and vegans. Remember, it's all about nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods and staying active. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.